Now, public blockchain, as we saw, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, these are all public blockchains. But there can be other use cases of blockchain wherein you don't want to share your data publicly. So banks would, never use a blockchain like Bitcoin, because then everybody would know everybody else's balance. So there are private blockchains which are generally used by corporates. Now it restricts the entry to only a selected group of individuals. So it is via invitation. So let's say certain banks, they create a consortium for passing a loan. Now generally all of this is done over software like Finacle. Now how can they leverage blockchain for that? They could create a closed group of people, closed group of branches, make a private blockchain, and then they designate the right that, okay, this branch has the right to edit it, this branch has the right only to audit certain things, they cannot edit any data, contrary to public blockchain where anybody can participate, anybody can submit the proof of work, submit the validity of transactions. In private blockchains that's not the case, and it is sort of centralization but with the security of blockchains, because the hashing, cryptography, all of this comes hand in hand with blockchain. Now there are also hybrid or consortium blockchains. So here the nodes are already known. Now here it is little bit different from the centralized blockchain that we talked a minute ago. Here a group of people maintain the blockchain, and there should be full cooperation within the nodes. Now these blockchains are not public, so only authenticated users can view the data, just like the public blockchain. In public blockchain you always have to have a fee structure wherein the miners are rewarded, otherwise there won't be any incentive to keep the network secure. Here in hybrid or consortium blockchain, it's like a group of friends creating a blockchain, but having the security model of a blockchain, having the hashing capabilities of blockchain. So there is no service fee agreement in this. Now in the Bitcoin network, when you broadcast a transaction, it takes like a couple of seconds for the transaction to reach all the miners around the world. In hybrid or consortium blockchain, there is no syncing issue, because in the Bitcoin blockchain, when a miner broadcasts a block, all other miners either have to agree on it or reject on it. In hybrid blockchains, that's not the case, because here everybody is playing their own part. Now we also have permission blockchain. Now this is what could be very much in use in the coming couple of years. So let's say there's a farmer who produces like grapes. Now he wants to sell it to a multinational chain. So there are certain things involved, like what is price of this produce, what is the weight of this produce, what is the expiry date. So in blockchain everything is public, right? So in permission blockchain, not everything is public. So let's say this thing has to go through customs. So why the customs guy needs the data of expiry? They will only need the price data, like at what is the price, and based on that they will be calculating the custom. Now if this goes to a multinational company and then it goes to a store, why would the store need to know that at what price did the chain buy this produce from the farmer? So in that case, the certain aspects are permissioned. Only certain data is given, access to certain data is given to certain participants.